So we out here at Outlaw Garage. We're trying to get this shit set up with the light. Over here we got the light itself. It's pretty freaking bright. We're trying to figure it out right now. That's all I got for right this second. Turn the light on its side and position the U-shaped bracket of the light. U-shape. What is that? Is that this one? The U-shaped bracket. My shirt dirty. U-shaped bracket. What the? I can't read. Portable stand. Oh fuck. Let's go get that. This is that Outlaw Garage. We don't got enough lights. Lighting. Portable stand. Wait, what the fuck, dude? These instructions sucked in. Maybe I just guess.
Something like that.
Yeah, I think just right here.
And just triple tap.
Quad tap this and connect this here LED. What the fuck? This shit's not even connected on the thing. That's fucked up. They don't give you very good pictures in this here thing. They show you how to switch it on and off, but they don't show you how to like put it together. They go under, okay. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, that's so fucked. You know what these rivets? Negative Ghost Rider.
You probably fuck bitches with that.
For sure, man. Now if you see in this here, you insert this screw, and fuck, I got it stuck. It's like not supposed to happen. Okay, so you insert this screw in here. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Is this supposed to work? That doesn't seem like it does shit. Oh, our thing's bent as fuck. Holy fuck. This thing's bent than a motherfucker, dude.
Wow.
This motherfucker don't die. That shit's sharp as fuck. Not really sure how it's supposed to work, really. Yo, this is so bent. I don't think I can unbend it either. Just pull it out. Here we go. Oh fuck! That right there. Well, you'll see about it later. Yeah, it's kind of fucked up. We're gonna fix that. Oh, that's what we should have got at the fucking our sponsor. Oh, fuck, dude.
Yeah.
It's
I mean, they should have known. Like when they gave this to us, they should
Yeah.
have known that we needed those.
Yeah, they're fucking bunch of goons over there. At our sponsors.
Yeah. This right here.
AutoZone. You don't know.
I don't know. Like,
This is the AutoZone specialty area.
what does GMC stand for?
Gay man's car. I guess truck.
Gay man's car.
If you buy a GMC, it's a car. Probably gay. They don't make GMC cars, but if they did,
Wait, they make the SUVs.
that's not a car. That's an SUV.
No, like the mid-size, like
That's an SU freaking Z, fella.
it's a soccer mom's SUV.
This tool is the tool we're going to use to screw in this. This tool is the tool we're going to use to screw in those nasty screws over there.
Our sponsors keep us going.
Shout out to Matt.
The Griller Chicken Club.
At Chick-fil-Dank. That shit's fucking dank, dude. It's too big. That's what Mom said last night.
Ooh.
Alright, back to the action. Hell yeah, dude. Putting these to work. Fuck.
We're gonna make a video on this muffler singing.
Oh, scratch it.
Specifically this section.
Oh, fuck, scratched it.
Which you can't see in there just yet, because we don't let you.
Oh, strip the shit out of the screw. It's pretty sturdy. I don't know why I gave this an extra one, I'm not sure. What kind of fuckery they're doing over here. Alright, this shit goes. Oh, fuck. Oh, well, it's kind of fucked. Well, yeah. Take this bitch out right here.
Our sponsored fan.
Shout out to our biggest fan. That is super good.
Oh yeah.
We have light now. Oh, we also have light right there, but you know.
Yeah. Just
So, you know, we're pretty poor around here. Can't really afford many new tools or you know, equipment or anything. So if you want to donate anything, like another one of these things, it costs like, I don't know, $79. They're super expensive. Thanks for watching and